Paranaque branch. Let me show you the beautiful country of Italy. Let's go! Italy, a country of South Central Europe, occupying a peninsula that juts deep into the Mediterranean Sea. It comprises some of the most varied and scenic landscapes on Earth, and it's often described as a country shaped like a boot. Total area of Italy is 301,230 square kilometers, of which 294,020 square kilometers is land and 7,210 square kilometers is water. The current population of Italy is 60,257,069. The official language in Italy is Italian. The currency in Italy is euro. National sport is football. Ethnic groups are 95% Italians, Albanians 2.5%, Romanians, and other Europeans 1.5%, Africans 1%, other minorities. Carnivale. The Carnival of Venice, Italian Carnival di Venezia, is an annual festival held of Venice, Italy. It ends on Shrove Tuesday, Martedì Grasso o Mardi Gras, which is the day before the start of Lent of Ash Wednesday. The festival is world famous for its elaborate mask. Italy's national food is ragu alla bolognese, commonly known around the world as spaghetti bolognese. Other famous Italian food are gelato, pizza, lasagna. Rome is a capital city of Italy. It is home to the Vatican as well as landmark art and ancient ruins. Rome's history spans 28 centuries and one of the oldest continuously occupied cities in Europe. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. It is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built, and it's still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today despite its age. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, including animal hunts and more. Florence is a city in central Italy. Is noted for its culture, Renaissance art and architecture, and monuments. It also contains numerous museums and art galleries. Venice is a city in northeastern Italy. It is built on a group of 180 small islands that are separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. Milan is a city in northern Italy and the second most populous city proper in Italy after Rome. its historical, cultural, and architectural landmark, as well as extraordinary fashion and culinary scenes make this city world famous. I hope you learned a thing or two from the beautiful country of Italy. Thank you for watching.